Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. I did a video on this earlier today off this artwork, and I said in that video that I just did a common heart, and and somebody emailed me and asked me, how would you make that shape of a heart? Really easy, polygon tool to your common shapes or your basic shapes. Hold down your control button to get a perfect one. The key here is to have it selected, go to object and convert it to a curve. And by doing that, you brought in a node. And then just take and move it. And then you can do anything you want to with it. You know, make it your heart. Just kind of curve it around. And then still, we can do what we did earlier. In part one, go to effects and contour, and it does that. So you're going to do the exact same thing. And if you didn't watch part one, you might want to back up and watch part one. But that's how you could make that shape. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.